Pete the Cat Groovy Bake Sale. Pete the Cat is excited about his school bake sale. Pete wants to bake a treat. Bake sale Friday. What should Pete bake? Pete loves sweets. Pete loves cookies. Pete loves pies. Pete loves brownies, cakes, marshmallow treats, and ice cream sundaes. I'll make cookies, Pete thinks. Pete takes out eggs, flour, sugar, and of course, chocolate chips. Pete puts everything in a bowl. He stirs and stirs. Pete makes a big mess. He rolls the dough into balls and he helps his mom put them into the oven. They wait for the cookies to bake. They smell so yummy. Then things smell less yummy. Some of the cookies are burnt. Pete has to start over. What else can he make? He tries to make ice cream sundaes, but they turn into ice cream soup. He tries to make pudding for a pie, but runs out of crust. The kitchen is a big mess. He has no treats for the bake sale. You'll find something yummy to bring to the bake sale, says Pete's mom. Pete has some berries, vanilla pudding, and a few cookie pieces. I've got it, Pete says. I'll use a little bit of all of it. So he adds whipped cream and berries to the pudding and stirs. Then he adds some cookie pieces to the mix. Carefully, he scoops some onto a tray. Pete puts the tray in the fridge. The next morning, it is a tray of tasty, groovy berry goodness. His mom helps him scoop his treats into little cups. He brings them to school. Pete puts his berry cups on the bake sale table. What is that? Asks Callie. Groovy berry goodness, says Pete. His friends give it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon, all the treats are gone, but Pete saves one. He gives it to his mom. Thanks for your help. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is he made a big mess while stirring the cookie batter.